Clinical efficacy of pyridoxine and mefenamic acid, alone and in combination, for the treatment of premenstrual syndrome, a placebo-controlled study. By Jagminder Kaur Bajaj, Satinder Jeet Singh Bajaj, Prem Prakash Khosla and Rani Walia. Background: Premenstrual syndrome, PMS, is a multifactorial, psychoneuroendocrine disorder characterized by the cyclical recurrence of a combination of various physical, psychological, affective, behavioral, cognitive, neurovegetative, and autonomic symptoms, not caused by any organic disease, which regularly recurs during the luteal phase of menstrual cycle and regress during the proliferative phase. A wide range of drugs from different pharmacological groups has been tried in premenstrual syndrome by various investigators, with contradictory reports. Pyridoxine is reported to relieve autonomic and behavioral symptoms and NSAIDs to relieve physical symptoms. Aim: the present study evaluated and compared with placebo the clinical efficacy of pyridoxine and mefenamic acid alone and in combination in relieving symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS. Materials and methods: the study sample included patients attending the premenstrual symptom clinic of the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology of Government Medical College and Rajendra Hospital, Patiala, India. In this study, 80 female patients between 18 to 45 years of age, diagnosed to be suffering from PMS, were randomly divided into 4 groups, A, B, C, D, of 20 patients each. They received placebo tablets, pyridoxine HCl 100 mg OD, mefenamic acid 250 mg TDS, and a combination of pyridoxine and mefenamic acid in same doses respectively for 7 days preceding menstruation. Patients filled out 36-item PMTS self-rating scale and a 22-item daily diary for 2 months before treatment to record baseline symptoms and during the treatment cycle. Here, 22 symptoms were divided into 4 subsets of physical, anxiety-related, depression-related and fluid electrolyte-related symptoms to study the effect of drugs. Values were expressed as mean plus or minus SE, median and range. Fisher's exact probability test was used to compare patients' sociodemographic features, ANOVA, to compare menstrual cycle characteristics, and Mann-Whitney's U test to compare the median symptom scores before and after treatment. The mean % age improvement of groups B, C and D with placebo and effect of drugs on subsets of symptoms. Results: statistically significant improvement from baseline symptoms occurred in patients receiving pyridoxine, mefenamic acid, and their combination, group B, C, D, but mean % of age improvement in all the 3 groups was not significantly different from placebo, P greater than 0.05. Significant, P less than 0.05, improvement in a subset of physical symptoms occurred with mefenamic acid alone, but not with a combination of pyridoxine and mefenamic acid. There is no significant difference between the 4 groups on anxiety-related, depression and fluid electrolyte-related symptoms. Conclusion: a placebo control group must always be included in premenstrual syndrome trials. Mefenamic acid 250 mg TDS for 7 days preceding menses relieved physical symptoms of PMS. However, the beneficial effect was lost on combining pyridoxine. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.